New drone location, new location to fly our drone. This is Wollongong. I don't know what that is, but it's a big thing. View looks alright. Oh, she looks alright too. Nice cinematic views.
What does cinematic mean?
Like different colours and that. Looks like an alright place to fly. It's a bit windy. Can't really fly my drone, it's a bit windy, have to pack her up. Got some footage. Now Ashley wants to go on top of here. Coming up?
Nah.
This is where the fishermen come before they go out on the fishing trips. Aye aye, Captain. Get far. I just stood in a fucking puddle, man. To go to Kmart because she wants to buy shit for the house, you know what I mean? Decor, just that. Hey Bob, look at me. Going to Kmart to buy some decor. This is what we brought. Big buffalo. Like and subscribe. 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 Big deals up. Big deals up.